Okay, can-do guy here. This is part 2 of the Roadshock LED light bar installation. I just put the light bar up on the roof, and you can see it mounts right there and right there. Those are the mounts that go to the roof when the roof was installed. So the 22-inch light bar works perfectly on the mounts on the roof already. All I had to do was put 2 washers underneath to raise the bar up to try to get it further away from the top of the roof. And you can see right there, it's kind of touching the back corner of the roof. I am going to run the wire probably up under here and then stick it up in this groove right here and zip tie it up to the other wire that I have hanging here that comes up, and it's going to run down the outer rail and down here close to the relay. So I don't have much more to do. I'm going to button it up here on this end, but I am going to, like I said before, replace this switch to a rocker switch right there on the other side of the voltmeter. Okay, I hope this helps you guys. I'll get back and be with you in a few when I get this tidied up and extend the video. There's my partner. He's always with me when I'm working on something. I'm not going to finish this tonight, but I've got it plugged in. I want to show you how it works. There is the junction, plug and play. It's all wired up. I want to turn the light on. And there we go. We have power. There she looks. I will continue this video when I get it all buttoned up and zip tied, and I'll do a conclusion. Till next time, we will be done on the next video. Hello, can-do guy here. There's my buddy. He's going to help me do this stuff today. This is a continuation of part 2. As I stated earlier, I had trouble mounting with these bolts not being long enough and not being able to adjust the bar. So I got to digging around, and I came up with this from my bolt bin and some stuff, and this is what I come up with. I got a longer bolt, and I decided to use a rubber and the washers that come off of a shock. And they're going to go right up in here, and I believe it's going to give me enough cushion and enough bolt to be able to adjust it. So we'll get this done and get back with you in a few. Okay, here's my buddy. He's back with me again. This is the button up, finished up part 2 of installing the light bar, LED light bar. I redid the studs up here, changed them out, put rubber washers in, bushings in here with a longer bolt, and what I actually used was shock mounts. both sides. The wire runs up underneath. Tuck it all in up under there. Comes down. It all runs down in behind the seat and it's all hooked in. There's the new switch right here. And we'll turn it on. And as you can see, it lights up. We will now turn on the LED lights. It also lights up, off, on, and as you can see, it's bright. And you turn the key off, everything goes off. Okay, this is the follow-up from the Part 2 LED light bar purchased at Harbor Freight. The wiring harness and the light bar was purchased there. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Give me a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.